I'll be showing you a website where you can earn money by watching videos, signing smart contracts, doing simple rules, playing lotteries, and referring friends. You can do this on your mobile phone or your laptop. I prefer to use my mobile phone because it's easy for me to bring it out, watch the videos, and do anything I want to do instead of turning on my laptop every time. So what you just need to do is to go to your browser. I have two browsers that I use, but I prefer to use Brave browser sometimes because I actually earn few cents and dollars when I use Brave browser. I'll do a video on that later to show you how you can make money using Brave browser. But for now, let's use Chrome. For the purpose of this video, let's use Chrome browser. So just go to your browser, and then on the search bar you type GramFree.net. That is the name of the website. So it will bring you to this page. Now if you're a new user, you just need to sign up. When you click the sign up button to bring you here, you can either sign up with your Facebook account or your Google account. If you are logged onto your Facebook or Google account on the device you are using, let me use my Google account, it will automatically take you to your dashboard. Sorry, not to your dashboard directly. If you are using Facebook, it will take you to your dashboard directly. But if you are using, I have several accounts that I'm using, several Google accounts. That is why you can see all my emails here. So I'll just select the one I want to use, and then it will bring me to my dashboard. So that's that. But so let's go back. I'm a returning user, so I've signed up already and I want to log in. It's the same process. You click on sign in. See, automatically, sorry, because I'm logged onto my Google account on the device I'm using, so it just redirected me to my dashboard directly. So what can you do on this website? I told you you can earn money by watching videos. Let's see if you have videos available. So you go to videos, I have some videos here. So all you just need to do is to watch. Sometimes I don't click the play button. You can just leave it like this. Look at the timer. You have 60 seconds to stay on that page. When you are on that page for 60 seconds, we get 0.1 grams. So let's go back. I'll come back to this later. Let's make our time. You do not need to click the play button, as I said. So for each video you watch, let's go back to videos. For each video you watch, you get 0.1 gram. This is it, 0.1 gram. Before we continue, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe now and turn on the notification button to know when I upload new videos. And please give me a thumbs up if you are enjoying what you are learning right now in this video. So let's go over to another task that you can complete. You have the smart contract. For the smart contracts, you get one smart contract every day, and all you need to do is to take the contract and then you confirm every day. The contract runs for 5 days, and on the 5th day you sign. When you sign, if you have a contract that is not, I'll show you the example of a risky contract. Oh, this one is not a risky contract. Okay, it's a risky contract, sorry. So what you do is you take this contract. If you want to take it like this, it's a risky contract, but you have to turn on this menu to turn it on to risky. If you like, you can take it this way. When you take it this way, you are going to get 0.5 grams on the 5th day when you sign. And if you are not taking it as a risky contract, you can decide not to confirm every day, because you can decide not to confirm every day till the 5th day when you sign. But if you want to take it as a risky contract, you can turn this on, the risky menu. You can turn 1 gram on the 5th day when you sign instead of 0.5 gram. You can see if it is not on, it is 0.5 gram and there's no risk there. If you do not confirm every day till the end of the 5th day, you will still get your 0.5 gram. But if you turn this on, you'll be getting 1 gram at the end of the 5th day when you sign. That is if you confirm every day. See, you agree to confirm the contract every day without missing a day, otherwise have to pay a penalty. If you fail to confirm every day, you will be charged 2.0 gram, and you wouldn't want to lose that amount, because you know what you do before you can get this 2.0 gram. You have to watch like 10 videos and some other things before you can get this 2.0 gram. So if you know you would not be confirming every day, do not take this risk. But I usually take this, I usually turn it on. I take all my contracts as risky contracts. So you take, and that is it. So you can see I have several other contracts. I have some that I can take now. This one I took it 5 days ago and it's ready to be signed now. So when I sign, I'll be getting 1 gram. So sign. That's it. And then I took this like 4 days ago. I have 1 day left, so I'm confirmed. This is what I'm telling you about the confirmation. You have to confirm every day. Let me confirm this too. Let me confirm this. Let me confirm this. So I've confirmed all my contracts for the day. You can see I have 5. You get 1 every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 1 every day. So for the video, you get 0.1 gram for each video you watch. You get 0.1 gram. So for each smart contract, if you are not taking the risky contract, you get 0.5 grams. If you are taking the risky contract, you get 1 gram for each smart contract, and the video is 0.1 gram for each video you watch. So let's do another task, that is the free rolling. Now you have the opportunity to roll once in an hour. You roll once in every hour. So if you roll and your lucky number falls between 1 and 980, you get 0.1 gram. If it falls between 981 to 993, you get 1 gram. If it falls between 994 to 997, you get 10 grams. If it falls between 998 to 999, you get 100 grams. If it falls between 1000, you get 1000 grams. Can you imagine? But most times when you roll, most times you get 0.1 gram. Once in a while you can get 10, you can get 100. I've gotten 10 grams twice, but every other one has been 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. So let's roll. Let's see what will happen today. 0.1 gram again. So that's it for today, and you can see the timer. I cannot roll again until after 1 hour. So let's go to the last task that you can do. Lottery. I've played lottery twice and did not win anything. So if there are lotteries available for you, if you buy a ticket, you see the number of tickets you've bought here, you see your win chance here, and then how long it will take you to get your results. I will not be buying any lottery ticket today because I do not want to take that risk today. I've bought 2 and did not get anything. But see the last one I bought, completed tickets 1. I did not win anything. I did one before that. But if you are lucky, I would advise you, if you really want to buy tickets, you can buy up to 5, and each ticket costs 1. You can buy up to 5 tickets, and then you just pay from your available balance, from the money you've earned doing all those tasks. So if at the end of the period your ticket number falls between these 1 to 10, you are going to get 5,000 grams. Wow. 11 to 20, 3,000. So this is how you know the amount you are going to get if it falls within any of these positions. That is how you know the amount you get. So let's go back. I think we've done all the tasks. You can do free rolls, lottery, and then referrals. You refer a friend. If you refer a friend, yeah, you see my referrals, and your referrals have to be active. If you refer a friend, you are going to get 2 grams for referral. So this is where you can get your referral link. Go to referrals, the dashboard referrals. This is your referral link. Copy it and give to friends. You can share it on social media, but do not spam, please. So when people sign up using your referral link, you get 2 grams, or you will not get the 2 grams until that referral gets to level 2. This is how you know your level. I'm on the 6th level right now, and for each level you complete, sorry, for the referral bonus is 5 grams. Sorry, not 2. It's 5 grams, not 2 grams. 5 grams. So for the each stage, if you complete a stage, you get 2 grams as bonus for completing a stage. So your referral must get to stage 2 before you get the referral bonus, which is 5 grams. The referral bonus is 5 grams, not 2 grams. Sorry. So that's that. Now, if you want to check how much you've earned, this is it. You go to your dashboard, see the number of roles I've completed so far, see the number of people I've invited. One of my referrals is actually not active. I've not gotten referral bonus through him. See the smart contracts I've signed, see the number of videos I've watched. Let's see. This is your dashboard. So this is the amount you have. This is the gram price. Now, a gram most times is equivalent to $2, but sometimes it fluctuates. So it depends on the exchange rate for that day. But the minimum amount you can withdraw from GramFree.net is 500 grams. So assuming the exchange rate for that day is $2, it means you are getting $1,000 if you withdraw 500 grams. See the amount I've earned so far, 104. So if I accumulate up to 500 grams, I'll be able to withdraw. And if I'm so blessed that the exchange rate is more than $2 that day, it means I'll be getting more than $1,000 when I'm withdrawing. If you check the videos that you're supposed to be watching, you see withdrawal proof from people that have withdrawn from this platform. You see their videos, how they withdraw their money. I have not withdrawn because I've not accumulated 500 grams, but I'll be back with a video of my withdrawal proof. So this is it, but this is actually not the main amount. If you want to know the amount you can withdraw, because there are some pending amounts that you've not gotten, like the smart contract that you are yet to sign. Everything has been added up here. So if you want to know the actual amount that you can withdraw at the moment, go to withdraw. If you want to know the actual amount you've earned. So this is the actual amount I've earned. You see the 10 grams pending balance. For the smart contract I've not signed, and for my referral bonus I've not gotten because the referral is not active. So I have to accumulate 500 grams before I can withdraw. Now you can withdraw through so many ways. You can withdraw to your Bitcoin. You can withdraw through your MasterCard, your Visa card. You can withdraw to your PayPal account. You can withdraw through American Express. You can withdraw to your Payoneer. You can withdraw to your Payer. So whichever one works for you, just go with the option. So I think that is all for now. So you actually not be earning a huge sum in a short period of time using this website, because most times if you are watching videos you get 0.1 grams. If you are signing smart contracts, you get 0.5. It's not risky. If it's risky, you get 1 gram. If you are playing lottery, you might get a whole lot of grams from it. Then if you are lucky, if you do the rolls, if you roll and you get 10 grams, 100 grams, you might be lucky. But sometimes it might take you a month or 2 months to actually accumulate the 500 grams. You might be saying, wow, that's a long time. Well, you watch videos every day, you do things online every day, and you don't get paid. So is it not better to do those things and still get paid? If you are getting paid $1,000 in 2 months, is it not better than not getting anything at all? Well, thank you for staying with me on this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and also hit the notification button to get to know when I upload new videos. See you in my next video.